Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, today is Monday, April 26th. Oh my goodness, it's almost the end of April. In fact, Friday is the last day of April and Saturday is May 1st. So, wow, this school year is just flying by. Let's start today with the Pledge of Allegiance. Can you please stand at attention? Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, you can have a seat. Show a good slant. Look at this, what it says on the screen. Put it all together. What does that even mean? Mr. Wright, there's no virtue called put it all together. Well, here's the deal. We've been talking about all these different virtues all year, and because it's April 26th, that means we have only 25 days of school left. Mind blown. First graders, 25 more days, and then you're going to be a second grader. I can't even believe it. You guys have learned so much this year. You've grown so much. We've talked about all these different virtues. And this week, we're going to talk about putting all of these different things together. So we're going to talk about a lot of different virtues this week. But we're going to talk about some ideas this week about keeping your body healthy. We're going to talk about some ideas this week. This one might be with Mrs. Tickle, about giving yourself the right kinds of rest. Did you know there's different kinds of rest? Isn't that interesting? It's not just sleeping. There's all different kinds of rest. I think Miss Tina is going to do a morning assembly this week, and we're just going to talk about all these ideas where hopefully every thought we've had this year can come together. So to get us ready for that, I want you to think about the virtues today. We have talked about a whole bunch of virtues, and I'm being really careful to not say the name of any one of those virtues today, because I want to see if you can remember the names of a whole bunch of virtues. So maybe right now, start thinking about your favorite virtue, maybe a virtue that was really important to you, maybe one that you thought was a really great morning assembly, just better than all of the other days. And I want you to raise your hand and then have a discussion with your class and see how many virtues you can remember. Sound good? Okay, and then let me know. Let me know how many you remembered. Have a great day, Achieve.